what is going on in today's video? I have something to talk to you guys about. So, as you can tell in the title, E36 is going away. So I'm not releasing any info yet on the car that we're trading it for, unless you followed me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram and you saw my story the other day, you would already know what it is. And if you do, please don't comment below. I'm trying to keep it a secret. There's a handful of people that actually don't know what I'm doing with the E36 right now. Once this video drops, people will definitely know. But I will give a couple hints. A, the car is not running, but when you actually see what car we're getting, hopefully some of you are a little more like, oh, that makes sense. The only reason why I'm agreeing to this deal too is because for me it's worth it. B, it's got a spare motor already. All it needs is like a head gasket and dropped in. The car is 100% stock, so that being said, the swap itself should be fairly smooth. Considering it's stock, all I really have to do is follow spec to the car itself. There's no crazy wiring or crazy modifications to the car or anything like that that I have to watch out for and work around. Worth it for me because I know I can get it done in a weekend, and I'm going to be challenging myself to get it done in a day. I feel like it'd be a good challenge for me. So that being said, I'm going to get a couple shots of the BMW just pulling out. Just a couple more shots of the BMW. The last time you guys will see this BMW in any videos. And then off to get the new car. Hey Dakota, what's up? Can you tell us exactly what we are doing here? And thank God the car is not, do not give away the car. What is going on tonight?
Alright, so
you got to speak up.
AJ here.
Don't, you can't.
Trading his E36 down the way.
Don't move because you're going to show the car.
What? Shut up. Take two, motherfucker. Alright, so what we're doing, we got AJ's E36 back over here. We got a car trailer. AJ is trading his E36 for said unnamed vehicle. And I guess they're doing paperwork or something. AJ's over here screwing off, filming, not doing his half.
I know, I gotta go do the paperwork, but I just wanted you to do this this intro because you gotta be famous too.
Big shout out to the guys, hauling the shitbox home.
Big shout out to my homie Jake with Dark Hour.
Dark Garage Club, Lonely Drivers, shout out. But also check out nightshiftdesigns.co.
Hell yeah.
Tons and tons of cool BMW parts. Get it set up at a price point that your wallet will love.
So everybody watching on my channel, if you guys want to see the rest of the progress of that BMW, you're going to have to go follow these guys on Instagram. Both of them.
Yeah, follow me at presidential.mullet. You can follow my girlfriend at Caitlin_Heskett. And check us out at party.everywhere.else. That's our media channel. So for Mullet Media.
And his girlfriend's name is important because she's actually going to be the owner of the car. So I'm going to walk over to the car, finish up some paperwork, and then I'll finish doing a video. Look at Dakota. He thinks, oh, I almost showed the car. All right, Dakota. I'm gonna show everyone.
All right.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So
well, I mean, I can see it. You
all right.
can't.
All right. What do we got? What did I trade the BMW for?
All right,
and make the suspense. Make it suspenseful.
It's white again.
Okay.
It's JDM. It had a 2.4 liter. And it's
all right, enough of the bullshit. Tell me the fucking car already.
It's a 240.
Yeah, it is a 240, but not just any 240. It's the S14 that I've 0.5. Yeah, it is an S14.5. But like, I've always wanted just an S14 to kind of like, you know, the E36 was just a seat time car. Like, I got it because I just got a deal.
Who pointed you in the direction of this car? Oh shit, that was me?
Yeah, so
oh, this is awkward.
shout out to Dakota, who doesn't use like Instagram or anything like that. So don't go follow him anywhere because he's kind of a loser. I mean,
you say it like that.
So I'm not gonna do like a full like walk around of the car right now because we're gonna try and get it loaded up really quickly, and we still have to go pick up the other motor for it. But in the next video, we're gonna have a lot of content on this. Also, I'll do a walk around when we get it loaded up. All right, so it's pretty dark, and I'm gonna do an actual walk around in the next video of the car. But here it is, red hood. That's kind of cool. But yep, I just like scuffed food down. I was so hungry. It's been a long day for me, and it's gonna be a long weekend. The challenge is to get the motor swap done by Monday. Like, that's just gotta happen. So it's 100% stock. It should be doable. I'm stoked for this. This is gonna be so much fun, and I'm really excited. And it should go pretty smoothly with the amount of people that are actually going to be here tomorrow. So this is going to be cool, and I'm excited to actually see it in the daytime and see how, like, show you guys how it looks. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go help them now, and then we're gonna see. They're all carrying my bumper. Look at that. Such great friends. Oh my god. Oh my god. What such great friends you are. What's up, dude? So
got like all the bumpers right
yeah, look at that one. Oh yeah, the drift one. All right, can't wait to destroy that.
You guys smack it at Spear.
Yo, I know, dude. That blue one is sick.
I fucking love it.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna look
So
good.
sick.
I'm gonna vape real quick though. Anyways, what do you think?
Well, it doesn't run yet.
Yeah.
The front end is held on by zip ties.
Well, just like the BMW.
But if we can get it running, I think you made a decent choice.
I think so too. We just have to get it running. What do you think about it?
Oh, dude, I'm fucking digging it.
Yeah.
I think the shit I want it. I want it all day.
Yeah. What do you think should go in it when I'm ready to swap it?
LS.
Definitely LS3.
Okay. I'm so glad we're all on the same page. Although now my subscribers know what motor I'm probably going to put in it. But, hey, you guys comment down below what you think would be kind of cool for an S14.5 as far as the swap goes. It's not going to be anytime soon, obviously. It's going to be a while. But, I don't know, get creative. Throw me ideas. Maybe I'll pick a different idea if I like it, you know? Because I know it's... Dude,
it's an RB25.
I wish, dude. But I mean, for real, like, I don't know, like an LS3, like, yeah, it's reliable. Like any LS is gonna be reliable power, but I don't know. I kind of, you know me, I like to break away from the norm. I like to do something.
Rotary.
Yeah, I was just.
Rotary, 13B.
Oh yeah.
Shit. All right, Dakota, what are your final thoughts on this car? What do you have to say after all that? I mean, I'm really, really excited about this.
Well, we left at 10 o'clock to get the car, and it's 2 o'clock now.
Dude, it's fucking late. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed, too.
It took a minute to get her, but it's white, which is good. And, yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
What was your saying? White what?
White Miata is best Miata.
Shit. All right, with that, I'm going to bounce out of here. We're going to, in the next video, you guys are going to see way more of the car, more of the inside. I'll do a full walk around. With that, I'm going to bounce out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out our website. And then I will see you guys all in the next video.
Trying to do your outro music.
Just say bye.
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 You got it right. That's a wrapping.